So the first recipe we're going to do today is something that I love. It's called peaches and cream. And it starts with making a crumb crust that you don't have to cook because it's summertime, folks, and we don't want to be in a hot kitchen. So I usually do it with these wonderful cookies. They're called amaretti in Italian. So I've unwrapped a lot of those and put them in a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you could also put the cookies in a bag and just smash them with a rolling pin. And I want to chop them up. And that looks like it's just about right. And then we can take them out. That's the kitchen, folks. And put them in a bowl. Careful of that blade. I'm having all kinds of problems today with gadgets. So now, to get those to hold together, you want to give them some butter. So here we have a stick of melted butter I'm going to put right in there and mix with these cookie crumbs. And that's going to help this just hold together beautifully because this is going to go into the base of our bake pan. So get that all mixed really well, nicely moistened. Now let me see how our peach is coming along while I'm doing this. You see here it is in the water. And when it starts to look really wrinkly, I know that I can take that out. That needs about a minute more to go. So then you want a combination of peaches and nectarines. So here I have some peaches that I've already taken the skin off. So once you have the peaches, then you want to cut up a lemon and give that just a little squeeze of lemon juice. Let me get my strainer over here. Squeeze out some lemon. This is to prevent those peaches from turning brown and also gives it a little bit of flavor. So a little lemon juice in the bowl would be nice. Now let me see if I can take that peach out for you. And you want to let that cool on a dish and also do this same process for other fruits and vegetables. I like to use this process for doing tomatoes, for instance, and you can see how easily that skin just peels right off. Okay, well, I think you get the idea that that's a very easy thing to do. So now we can put this peaches and cream casserole together. So we need to whip the cream. So I like to use about 2 cups of whipping cream, and make sure you're using whipping cream because whipping cream has stabilizers in it. So we're going to put it in our mixer and get this going. I'm going to add some sugar to this, about 1/3 of a cup. And to flavor it, because peach pits are really in the almond family, I'm going to add a little bit of almond extract. So a little almond extract goes in. All right, finally, we have whipped cream. So now we take our cream and we mix it in with our peaches. So there it is. Look at how beautiful. Doesn't this sing to you of summertime? So take the cream, mix it with the peaches. Gently, because the fruit, of course, is very, very fragile. This is just so light and wonderful. It's better than an ice cream sundae in the summertime. Then you get out an 8-inch square dish is perfect for this. Put half of those amaretti in the base and pack it in. Just flatten it out so it's even all the way around. This is a great recipe to do for company, and you can do it ahead of time. You want this in the refrigerator at least for a couple hours, or it's even better if you do it overnight. So there is our bottom crust, and now we can put our peaches and cream in the dish. Spread that gently, just like that. Isn't that beautiful? And then we put the rest of the cookies over the top. Now, if you can't find the amaretti di Saranno that I had, you can just use amaretti cookies that you could find in the grocery store. Delicious.